Hello, welcome once again to Computer Accountant YouTube channel. My name is Onyekachi Nwozu, your preferred computer accountant specialist, your preferred trainer, your preferred data analyst, your preferred business analyst, and project manager. Today I'm going to show you how to create the company file on cloud of Sage Business Cloud accounting software, so formerly known as Sage 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create the company file on cloud, or what we call how to set up. Okay, it's just part of the setup, how to create it and bring it into use. Okay, so remember, it's a cloud software. Cloud simply means that it runs on your browser. It then means that you pay for subscription. You pay the companies who put your database, your accounting operations database on their cloud platform. Then you now pay them, create some login operations, then you use it. That's just what it means. Okay, it's not like the desktop, you have to install it and the rest. Every maintenance, every management, every steady operational use is the burden of the company you are paying subscription to. Okay, so I'm going to type Sage 1. Okay, Sage 1. So that's it there. Okay, so this is it. You can go ahead and click accounting login. It will bring you to this dashboard. So remember, I'm logging in for the very first time. Okay, now if you don't have the money to pay, because at the end of 30 days it will stop working, you are expected to activate it. You are expected to pay for your subscription so that you can continue to use it. So but if you whatever I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the educational edition of it. Okay, just for the sake of our class, so that's why I'm going to use the educational edition. But if you have the money, you can pay annually, you can pay monthly, and then use it. So after 30 days, you are no longer eligible to continue using it. You have to now pay for it to become, an approved platform by them, where you can. But I'm going to use the educational version of it to show you how to create your company file or data in the cloud. Okay, so now I have not created anything. I can't log in. I have to sign up as a user or as an advisor, anyone. Okay, so let's see. Good. So you see, get started with 30 days free on Sage accounting. So that's what I actually need. Okay, that's what I actually need. And your internet must be friendly. Now if you are going through this direction, that means you are ready to pay. I'm not ready to pay because of students' demand. I want to use their educational version of it, so I'll click here as a student. Okay, so this is it. So what's the name of the company? Let me call it Jalingo Limited. Okay, country. So this is where you select your country. You can see, so once you select your country business features will be embedded in your own. So I use Nigeria here. So you have Onyeka. Onyeka. Why are you not taking 0? Onyeka. Okay, phone number. So everything on red asterisk is very important. Email, so that's my email. Then the password, I want to use my own password. I don't want to get confused along the line, so I want to use a password that I'm well known. I can remember offhand. Okay, then enter the access code NKKPB. What are you currently in use? It can be manual, whatever you like, select. Years in business, let's use 4 years. Referral code is not necessary. Institution, use leadway, then accept the terms, and you sign up. So something is not, say the following fields are required, and once so let me see what the problem is. Maybe I've missed something along the way. Okay, so that's this one. Maybe I didn't type it properly. 1BTYR. So let me see. Then my password, I have to make it uniform. Maybe that's why they are calling my attention. So ON again. Everything has to be in order before they can sign you up. So let me see if it will go this time around. Okay, it's like it will, yeah, excellent. So it has so I want the password to be constantly on. So I don't want to be typing and remembering it all the time. So I'll click save. Okay, so take a few minutes to make sure that your company settings are correct and your invoice and statement are. So I'm going to start setting up my company now. Okay, you can see the name is there already. Physical address, Suite 315, 3rd floor, Ambis Plaza. Okay, maybe Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, so that's for the address. I don't need postal address. Physical address does it for me. So do you want to add your banking details? No, you can do that much later. Just your bank account, you can do it much later. It will appear on your source document. So I'll go to next. Okay, so choose a logo. So I have some logo here. So I'm going to choose the YouTube logo. Go to download. Have some logo I can bring in. So let me use this one as the logo. Your logo has been successfully added. Invoice and logo position. I want my logo to be at the top left, right hand corner. I think so. This is it. This is where my logo will be, where you have the green stuff. Choose your layout. Let it just be modern. You can also choose whether you want this is what I choose. This is the model. This is how it will show. It's okay. Then customize your invoice. Yes, I will do a video on this one as well, so that it doesn't take our time. So I think I have cleared myself from the branding. So I'm in section 2, which is the branding. I've added the logo and the type of invoice I want. I'll go to next. I'll go to next. So financial details. Do you charge your customers VAT? Yes. Or enter your VAT number so that it appears on your invoice. So let's assume this is my VAT number. Okay. Invoice settings. When adding quantity to your invoice, how many lines? I just want 2 decimal places. That's all. Then what is your next financial year end? So my financial end in December 31st, 2026. Then here, retention period, 4 years. Yeah, do you want them to return your personal record? Okay, just put for operations. They're returning my records for operations. Okay, then I'm done. So this is it. So you can see once it sets you up. Now you are now on the business environment, on the Sage Business Cloud environment or homepage. So this is where you can now start creating your customer name, vendor name, item name, banking ledgers, and start posting your transactions. So that's how fast it is to do that. Remember, at the end of the 30th day, you will no longer have access to this platform. You are expected to pay, and start using it officially, and the owners of the software will also enjoy their fruit, fruit of labor or labor of fruit, as the case may be. So this is it, how to create your company data in the Sage Business Cloud or platform. Remember, it works on a plaza. It works on a browser. Sorry, it works on a browser. Okay, then it is from here you can start inviting others that will join you on this. So how do you invite others? You go to admin and select manage users. So this is where you invite your account and those you want to join. You can see that my email is already here. All I need to do is to add other users. Okay, when you click on add other users, all you need to do is to put in your staff name, put in the staff email, then send it, come down here and click save. Automatically your staff or the second user will receive an email. Okay, that through that email he will now connect to the platform. So thank you. This is how you can create your Sage Business Cloud accounting software. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, comment and like. Don't forget to invite accountants, those who are into accounting related, who want to grow their knowledge in accounting. This is a go-to channel that adds value and upgrade the knowledge they already have on different software usage. Thank you. My name once again is Onyekachi Nwozuzu. Thank you and God bless you for being part of us. Bye bye.